Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Crypto.com to external wallet. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing first, open up your app, then head over to your account and here you will select the coin which you want to withdraw. So I will go with Zilliqa. I will select that. Now I will wait a little bit that everything is load up. And right here we have some options. So deposit and withdraw. Now I will click on withdraw, and the last one right over here is external wallet. So click on that. Now here we have some options. So we can add wallet address or we have blockchain domains. I usually go with wallet address. So now if I click on add, we can right here I will select the cryptocurrency. So this is Zilliqa. And now I need to paste in the wallet address in which I will send the money, send the coin. So probably you have another wallet, and from there you need to copy this wallet address. Be careful. This needs to be really precise, really correct, that you don't lose any value. So double check everything. Here at the top, you will select the network, so Zilliqa or Kronos. Then you will check in here, I'm the owner of this wallet. Here you will select the wallet type, which wallet it is, and then you can name this wallet. So I will show you if you already have something. So let's go and do that. So I will select the Bitcoin. And here, as you can see, I have 3 wallet addresses. So one is from Binance and other one from uh, other platforms. So yeah, this is how you will see your wallet addresses if you already made some of the wallet address with another wallet. So this is how you can withdraw to external wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.